Yoga has a lot of benefits to offer. It improves balance, strength, and flexibility. Generally, it improves one's overall health, muscles, and your heart too. Not only does it help your body, but it also helps your mental and spiritual progress. Yoga helps you to have a brighter mood and be more energized. It's also a significant help in managing stress and promotes self-love. Stay tuned as we bring you the top 5 online yoga classes to fit your needs. Whether you need the best of the best or just the most affordable option, we'll relay these items for you. If you want to find the best prices and more information about these products, check out the links in the description below. And now, let's begin. At number 1 is the 12-week YOGABURN Challenge. This online yoga challenge is offered exclusively for women. It provides unique routines designed solely for women who would like to maximize and experience the full benefits of yoga. It does not merely offer to help women get back their great shape, but also provides routines to burn calories and manage their weight. The product is designed for those who would like to lose weight naturally without the help of pills, potions, or powders. It's for women who don't want to spend hours or lift heavy equipment at a gym. It has 3 unique phase programs with 15 videos to keep your body and mind entertained. The course features are challenging, fast-paced routines. It also uses proven principles of progression, which will aim to get women fit, trim down, and tighten up. YOGABURN does not require any equipment or exercise band. Over the years, it's been followed by women from different walks of life and from other countries. The website offers a video presentation to see just how YOGABURN operates. The results per individual or member will vary from age, weight, and certain biological factors. The output differs as well, and how long you closely follow the instructions for every routine. The success of the program lies in what they call dynamic sequencing. With dynamic sequencing, they'll teach you how to perform each movement correctly. Slowly, your body will adapt to the routines with increased challenges at the same time. Along with that, your body will start to get used to the exercises and will significantly help you to be more fit and feminine looking. At number 2, we have SHAPESHIFTER Yoga. The program promises to make yoga online possible, safe, and easy for you. At the same time, you get to enjoy its health and body shaping benefits. It's best recommended for people living a busy life, as a unique approach does not take too much time. You can conveniently do it anywhere and anytime you like. The program does not require weightlifting or tiring cardio activities. It aims to give you a firm butt, jiggle-free arms, and of course, a flat belly. With SHAPESHIFTER Yoga, you get unlimited access to all the instructional videos for each pose in the program. Along with that, you get to enjoy wall charts, instructional manuals, follow-along videos of yoga flows, and a lot more. It's convenient that you can access it from your dashboard via laptop, mobile phone, tablet, or computer. It goes wherever you go. From there, you can check all the videos or read the materials meant to help you achieve your goals. To make you feel secure and confident that you're doing the right pose, the program provides a step-by-step guide for each. Go at your own pace and at your own time. You can build a regular schedule for your online yoga class, and you'll be amazed at your results in an instant. SHAPESHIFTER reveals it has 3 secrets for you to ponder. First, it aims to burn more fat and gain sculpt and toned muscles. Second, it exercises deliver a low cortisol so you avoid stress eating and weight gain. And finally, it'll help you love your body even more and melt more pounds off. What did you think of our first 2 choices? Well, we still have more to come, so stick around. If this is the first time you're visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so you'll know when we upload a new review. And now back to our list. At number 3 is Project Yoga. This online yoga is one of the different programs that offers customized features. As you open their website link, it straight up requires you to get started. From there, you'll be asked about your preferences if you want to achieve as you dive into yoga. It has custom options for those who've never tried yoga to more advanced programs. Make sure you click on the options fit for your profile and goals. It'll also ask for your goal that you want to achieve during your experience, giving you options such as losing weight, relieving stress, improving breathing, or improving balance. The list continues with relieving back pain, improving energy levels, becoming more mindful, and even improving your posture. It also asks what's essential for you in your yoga goals, such as bigger butt, improved flexibility, improved muscle tone and strength, and improved concentration with clear thinking. Aside from customized yoga classes, the Project Yoga also offers a flexible schedule as you can access it anywhere, anytime you want. Not only that, you get to learn from a professional yoga instructor. The program aims to provide lifetime access for your chosen area, personalized classes catered to you by an experienced instructor, and full support in all the questions you have. We always like to know what you think, so don't hesitate to write down your comments and suggestions below. If there's a product you have in mind you'd like to see us review in the future, just let us know and our team will give you the best review possible. And now let's check out our last two products. At number 4 is the YOGABURN Booty Challenge. This online yoga program is exclusively catered for women who aim to achieve sculpt and tone muscle. It offers its unique sculpting routine called Prime, Activate, and Pump method, which is developed based on the principle of progressive overload. The PAP method is designed to ensure that clients are doing the proper routine correctly and spend the right amount of time. It ideally aims to make the 3 parts of the booty work to the extent and achieve the best possible result in every work routine. This online yoga program does not merely focus on the booty, but also on improving health, flexibility, faster metabolism, and energy delivered in a professionally designed practice. You can experience and maximize its benefits in the comfort of your home. The YOGABURN Booty Challenge is offered in 12 weeks, where you'll be given 3 unique 15-minute routines for you to follow. There are 3 phases you'll need to undergo. The first phase is called the priming phase, designed to wake up or zap the glutes and overcome sleepy burn syndrome. Basically, it's a warm-up stage. Next is the active phase. It's the whole engagement, activation, or working out of all 3 muscles of the butt. Lastly is the pump phase. This phase involves a series of unconventional moves, tightening the booty and engorging all 3 glute muscles. Number 5 is the Meditation Expert. This online program focuses on yoga meditation, covering various techniques from different spiritual traditions such as Zen, Buddhism, Taoism, Christianity, and other spiritual schools. It significantly differs from other online yoga programs that we've discussed, as it focuses mainly on meditation, relaxation, and achieving spiritual growth. The meditation aims to lower stress levels. The program offers free lessons on how to meditate correctly and effectively, helping you reach spiritual progress. As you reach your goal, it promises you to feel warmer, more open, relaxed, accessible, and of course, healthier. The program is non-denominational and non-sectarian. It shows up in their teachings in transpersonal psychology, meditation methods, consciousness studies, meditation methods, and the meditation expert's specialty lies in the Buddhist Zen meditation methods. It also uses general yoga techniques and yoga practices. The site offers free articles that you can read and share with others. As you dive into its free books or articles, you'll find your spiritual journey progressing. The website also offers free newsletters covering spiritual topics and at the same time teaching you how to meditate by using different transcendental techniques from the East and the West. You can also find articles that'll be greatly helpful regarding natural health, peak human performance, and holistic medicine. And there you have it, the top 5 online yoga classes for you. Whichever one you choose to get based on your standards, we hope that this list helped you pick the right one. If you found the one you like, check out the links in the description box below to catch it at its best offer. If there's anything in mind that you'd like to see us review in the future, just let us know in the comments section and our team will get to work. To stay updated with our latest videos, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so you'll be notified when we upload a new video. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time right here at the ReviewTube channel.